We'll paint this half black white from both sides here. The glasses stay, switchboard is fine, and here 2 chandeliers. So it's going to be a door here. This all be gone. This door stays. We have a toilet. We'll do 1 coat on the ceiling. We're going to patch that one and hold. We put a glass panel to here, Terry. We're going to remove those 2 feature lights, Vimlish. We're going to remove those speakers. We're going to make a wardrobe here from here. 4 LED lights in the ceiling, Vimlish. Wardrobe here. We'll remove those things for you. Door handles, okay? Okay. That's good. Great job. Welcome. Job has been completed. Beautiful villa in Mount Eden. Very elegant. Paint job, carpets, upgrade the electrical. Beautiful lights everywhere. Carpet is very soft. Painting looks spectacular. We brought some more life into this property. Beautiful villa, 150 years old in Mount Eden.
Hi guys, thank you so much. You've done really good job. I'm really proud of you guys. Great workmanship. And thank you James. Okay, thank you so much. Bye.
That's it. See you on the next job.